Hi, I'm Nathaniel, and this is my showcase of Object Toolbox. Object Toolbox. So the first thing is, let's go to pen. So you click pen, then you can see the type that you want. So you click the pen. Then you can see all these materials. I don't use paintbrush. I never use paintbrush. I don't use highlighter. It's not very good to draw. Either pencil. Pencil is not that bad. It looks like a road, but like when you scrub it, it makes that. So I just use pen, so I can make my drawings way better. And it is pretty easy to draw something. So yeah, like that. That's an example. Anyway, so now and then you can pick the color for it, and then go over here. Next is eraser. So yeah, that's supposed to go to eraser anyway. So you go to eraser, and then okay. So oh wait, I forgot. You can pick the size of the pen or whatever. Then you can pick the color. You pick the color, any color, it doesn't matter. Then I have how I make a battery at the asset. I don't use assets, I just draw them most of my time. Like, look, example. I just draw them. So that's how animating is pretty hard for me. Making the movements. Like, that's a camera. So, like, making all these camera movements are kind of hard. I mean, like, this is battery getting sucked in to 4. So, yeah. My thumbnails will always have that, they won't be colored in. Like, making a thumbnail, I'm only going to draw the bone. I'm not actually going to color it in. I'm just going to draw it. Anyway, let's not talk about that right now. So then, you see eraser. You click that. Then you'll see the size, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You can pick the smallest and the biggest. This is the biggest, and this is the smallest, which you can't even see at all. Maybe if we put it up a little bit, yeah, now you can see it. And then if you put it like 1, you can still see it. Then it's like a normal eraser if you put it at 10, but if you put it at like 30, you can still see it's just a tiny eraser. So like pretending you're trying to cover a little tiny piece. That's why you have the eraser. Anyway, then there's the capacity of it. You can make. I don't know how this works, so I'll teach you in the extras, which is the last chapter of Object Toolbox. Then we have this. This just makes, I don't know what it does. I really don't. But I don't know what it does, so don't ask. So yeah, so that's done, obviously you probably won't need that. But you'll only need like this. Anyway. So next thing is the trace. So you can like trace something and put it right there. And then there's fill and text. With fill, you can make all of these colors. Then you can fill this. So yeah, that's all about in the in Objects Toolbox. So yeah, Chapter 2 is coming out today. It is coming in 30 minutes, I guess, or an hour. It'll probably come after I finish Chapter 3. I'll upload all of them at the same time, so you guys will be very surprised and you guys don't have to wait all that time. So yeah, bye animators. I hope this will teach you a lesson of how to draw and everything. Then we'll show you how to draw. Now that you know how everything works, we can show you how to draw. So that's going to be the next chapter. How to draw arms and limbs, obviously. Then there's facial expressions. So yeah, we'll teach you what the facial expressions are. The facial expressions are, what they are, and what they are supposed to be for. Sad, angry, happy, depressed, confused, and 100 more face expressions. Happy, excited, a lot. So, back to Chapter 2 in Object Toolbox.